Do you want to make your YouTube subtitles bigger, easier to read, or customize how they look? A lot of people turn on YouTube CC Captions and then realize the text is way too small. So here's how to make YouTube subtitles bigger. This works on desktop and some TVs. First, click CC to turn on subtitles. Now, click the settings icon. Select Subtitles, CC, then choose your subtitle language. Next, click Options. Here you can fully customize your captions. Select font size and choose a bigger size. Go as large as you want until the text is comfortable. Select font color and change the subtitle color to whatever you prefer. Choose background color to change the box behind your subtitles. Adjust background opacity if you want the background to be lighter or fully solid for clearer readability. Choose font family to change the style of the text, like proportional serif or others. And that's it. Your subtitles are now bigger, brighter, and easier to see. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.